Sometimes in WhatsApp, you might have created a sticker pack. A sticker pack is just a collection of stickers you like. If you want to add those stickers to a group, you can do that. It makes it easier to find your favorite stickers later. Plus, after creating a sticker pack, you can share your favorite sticker pack with others. In this video, we'll show you how to share your sticker pack with others in WhatsApp. To do this, open the WhatsApp application. Then, select the contact you want to send your sticker pack to. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, you'll see a stickers option. Click on stickers. When you click on it, you'll see a bunch of options. At the bottom, you'll find the stickers option. Click on it. When you do and scroll down, you'll see lots of options. Here, you can see your already created sticker pack. In this sticker pack, there are only 2 stickers. If you want to share this sticker pack with others, here's how. Next to the sticker pack, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots, and you'll see a send option. Click on send. When you click that, the sticker pack will be sent. Now, you'll see that in this file, there are only 2 stickers. If you click on view sticker pack, you'll see those 2 stickers. After that, others can use these stickers. Sometimes, a single file might have lots of stickers. This way, you can easily share your sticker pack with others in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.